I'm sitting here on a Swiss afternoon in which an orthopedic doctor has loaned me his very early copy of the Plates of Andreas Vesalius, where here we see Adam and Eve, very, very convincing with such few lines, and a serpent down at the bottom who's a little less convincing. But these very famous ones that we're used to of seeing the skeleton, this was the first time that the skeleton was shown as if in vivo. And these plates were published in 1548, and this edition is not long after that. And these are beautiful, beautiful renditions of the muscles. What a privilege to be able to look at this book. From 1548, when this book was published, off of woodcuts, published shortly after Gutenberg had invented the printing press. And even so, our knowledge of anatomy has really not changed in concept since then. We still work with the same muscles, with the same concept of the nervous system that we had in Vesalius' time back in 1548. Of course, there have been a lot of innovations since then, but the basic concept has remained the same: man as machine. We are, in the 21st century, on the edge of something new. Man as process, man as system. I don't know what it will come to be called, but I can feel that the change is coming. To understand the anatomy in a different way, it's really necessary to get away from the books, away from the concepts that are put in the books, and get back to the actual experience. If you have the opportunity, I so urge you to go to a dissection class. There are many dissection classes offered all over the world, from ones where you just watch to ones where you participate. If you come to one of our classes, you'll have three unique features. One is me, inventor of anatomy trains. I have a particular fascial focus in the courses that we do, and we do indeed focus on the fascial layering and the different fascial structures as we move through. You have the expertise of Todd Garcia, the master dissector who runs the dissection part of our classes. But thirdly, you have untreated cadavers. These are cadavers, these are donors who gave their body to this, and their bodies were frozen a few hours after they passed, and they're unfrozen for the class. So there is no chemistry, no formaldehyde, and thus, one, it's safer and easier for you, but secondly, the body moves through its normal range of motion as any body would, and also the colors are natural and true to life. If you really want to see what anatomy is, not what anatomy is in the books, but how it feels under your hands, I really urge you to come and try one of our dissection courses. Thanks.